Hello everyone, I am Rod and I am the game design instructor for the Academy of Entertainment Arts over at Dixie Hollands High School. If you are one of my students, it's Mr. Flowers to you, and welcome to this video tutorial. Welcome back. In the last video we went ahead and made the arm for our character, and we have it attached and everything looks nice. But you might look over here on our channel box. Our history is getting rather long, and the longer the history gets, the slower Maya is going to run. So I'm going to go up to Edit, come down to Delete by Type, and History. There we go. That's nice and clean, and now we have a nice, smooth running version of Maya. Sweet. Next, we're going to work on the leg. We're going to make the leg somewhat similar to the way we made the arm by adding a new object. Once again, you could extrude from the leg and pull it down and all that good stuff. I'm not going to do that. I will make the new object. But I will have the same problem with the leg as I do with the arm. You can see that I have 6 connecting points. Go ahead and grab the leg piece. And I will set a subdivision in the depth. There we go. And then I will make the leg big enough for me to model with. And then I will adjust the height of the leg in the front view. So I'm going to go to my front view here. I'm going to line this up with our leg object. I'm going to grab these top vertices. Let's go ahead and stretch this up to where it needs to be. Alright, I'm going to go into my side view. And you can see in our side view, our leg has this bend to it, but we can't bend a broomstick. So what that means is we need to add a new cut to accommodate that shape. So to do that, we're going to add a new edge loop. So insert edge loop tool under mesh tools, insert edge loop, and then we're going to just cut it right where the knee would be. And pull that forward. And we have the bend of our knee. I'm also going to shape the leg out just a little bit more, just because, why not? Just like here, if we want to follow our guides to precision, this leg kind of bends in a little bit weird. But I'm not going to worry about that. The bend of the leg is fine there. Stick figure body is good. I'll go into my top view, or sorry, my perspective view. And I want to get ready to attach this leg to my torso. But before I can, I need to get rid of these extra faces. So I go into face mode, and I will remove the faces from the bottom of my torso. Likewise, I will remove the faces from the top of my leg. And now I can attach this to the bottom of the torso. Go into object mode, select the leg and the torso. Use the combine tool. So now they are one object, and I just have to sew them into place. So I'll grab my target weld tool. And I'm going to grab this top vertex of the leg, and I'm just going to sew that to the body. Grab this front one. And then this one way down in front here. Sew this way. If I were more OCD, I would not do it quite that way. But this will work. That one, and now they are sewn together. Hit Q to get rid of your tool, and I'll go into my front view, and I'm just going to line up and fine-tune the legs, or the vertices of my legs. So with that selected, I will line these to that hip, take this point in to about there. The leg kind of bows out somewhat there, and I'll grab these. Good enough. Now, an issue that I'm going to have when I go to mirror this is the groin area, because we are off the center axis a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shift the leg, or at least these vertices of the leg here, inward just a bit. So that way the legs don't crisscross. So I'm going to grab this vertex here and these. Now if you don't have this issue on yours, you don't have to do this step. In my case, I will have to, because the way this leg bows and cuts across this center axis, it's going to be a problem for me. So I'm going to go ahead and move these over just a tad. And in doing so, that means I need to adjust. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to round off my leg just a little bit, just because it's still kind of blocky. So I'm going to grab these. I'll grab those ones on the back, pull those in, and you can see that rounds it off a little bit nicer. I'm not going to do that to the groin area just yet, because we need to attach the other half. But I will do the lower part of the leg here. Like that. There we go. And it's just about time to make the head, so with that, I'm going to say we're good about here. In the next video, we will make the head, and then we'll mirror the rest of it over, okay? Go ahead and save where you're at, and I will see you in the next video. So File, Save As, and this is going to be iteration 3. And I will see you in the next video.